Hello friends, in this lecture I am going to discuss Playfair example. I have taken an example that is construct a Playfair matrix with the key computer and encrypt this message I am hacker. That means two things is given here. Computer, that is keyword. With the help of this keyword I will construct a Playfair matrix, and using that matrix I have to encrypt the message that is I am hacker. Then first I am going to discuss how to construct the Playfair matrix. To construct Playfair matrix, first of all we have to need 5 cross 5 matrix. That means 25 cells are there, and matrix is given here actually, that is empty right now. 25 blocks are here, and I have taken A to Z alphabets for that is for rough work only, and I have taken here because there should be no error or no mistake in the numerical. That means sometime actually the rule of matrix is that no any letter will be repeated in the matrix. To check that I have taken this A to Z in the table here, but in the numerical you do not need to show. You can use this table at rough side only. Then I am going to fill this matrix. That means first of all I have to start from this keyword, but repetition should not be filled it. That means first letter is C, then I am going to fill C, and I have deleted from the table because it will protect from repetition. And again next is O, then I am filling O, then next is M, I am filling M, and here I have deleted all the letters which are filled in the matrix. And next is P, then U, then T, then E, then R. I have filled all the characters of keyword, and there is no repetition in the keyword. That's why all the characters are in the matrix. Right now I have to fill the remaining characters or letters, that is from A to Z. Then you can see here in the given matrix I have filled A, that was remained. That means these are the remaining only. Then with the sequence, that means A, B, then D, then E, F, then G, then S, then I, in the same sequence I will fill here. First A, then B, then D, then F, then G, H, I and J are putted in the same block every time. Then K, then L, then N, then Q, then S, then V, then W, then X, then Y, then Z. That is the Playfair matrix I have constructed here, and you can check or you can see here single letter appears only single time in this matrix. Next I am going to encrypt this message. Message is given here, I am hacker. First of all I have to create a pair of two characters or two letters, that means IA, MA, HA, CK, ER. Total 5 pairs are there. One thing is more important. Suppose that in a single pair both letters are same. That means we have to use filter character to remove this probability. suppose that II is coming, suppose that in the place of a I is appears, then I will write X is a filter character, then XI IX, then next I will be the part of next pair, that means IM, then in this way. And suppose that all the pairs are not completed, that means last single character is only alone, then we have to also add filter character. I am going to encrypt here. I have to find out in which place these characters are in matrix. Then first IA is found here and A is found here. We can see here both characters are not in same row, not in same column. That means third rule will be applied. Then the replacement of A will be first we have to see the replacement of I. That means the replacement of I will be H, because H is the same row of I and same column of A. That means the replacement of I is H, and the replacement of A is B, because B is in the same row of A, but the B will be the same column of I. Next MA is also same rule is applied, third. Then the replacement of M will be P, and A R will be the replacement of A. Then next is HA. We will find out HAs are coming in same column. That means the replacement of H will be Q and the replacement of A will be H, because the down characters will be the replacement of plain text character. Next CK is also coming in same column. That means the replacement of C will be the T and the replacement of K will be V. Then next ER is coming in same row. That means the replacement of E will be R and the replacement of R will be A. That is the encryption cipher text is generated here. HBPRQHTVRA. That is the final answer. Thank you.